The trigonometric function, chapter 3 of 11th standard NCERT book. Here we will see the introduction for trigonometric function. Trigonometry is derived from the Greek word trigon and metron. It means measuring the side of triangle. So we'll see here the side of triangle. The first we draw the line from origin of the triangle A and up to A to O to A. So this side is known as initial side, and where this angle is going to terminate, so that is called as terminal side, that is from O to B. Similarly, there is a opposite side of triangle. The initial side is at O to A and terminal side is O to B. So first angle is a positive angle and second angle is negative angle. So we have to remember this sign convention. So degree, what is the degree measure? If a rotation of the initial side to the terminal side is 181 by 3/60 of a revolution, the angle is said to be measure of 1 degree. Suppose if this angle, it is going to rotate this by 360 degree, and we divide this 360 degree in each equal part, so each angle is of 1 degree, and further the 1 degree is divided into the 60 second and 60 minute, and 60 minute is divided into the 60 second. So we can write 1 degree equal to 60 minute, 1 minute equal to 60 second. So this is a degree measure. Now we will see how to measure the radian. Radian is a unit of measurement of angle. Angle subtended the center by the arc of 1 unit in a unit of circle. 1 unit said to be as a 1 radiant. So if we see the line draw from 0 to A, and another line is drawn at a particular angle of 0 to B. So the radian is measured, and the side of this is of 1 unit, and we can measure this degree into a radian. So how to measure this radian? How to convert this degree into radian? So we know that the circumference of a circle with the radius of 1 unit equal to 2 pi. So we can calculate this circumference as a 2 pi. 2 pi, then we will divide this. Now we can divide this into the radian. Just the angle which is forming into here is equal to L by R. What is L? L is a arc length and R is a radian. So if the circle of the radius R and an arc of length L subtended at an angle theta radiant at a center, so we have theta equal to L by R. So suppose this angle is theta, and this arc A to B is L, and radius is R, then we can write theta equal to L by R. So this is positive sign, and the figure 2 shows the negative side, negative angle. What is the relation between degree and radian? Since we can measure the whole circle as a 2 pi, its degree measure is 360 degree. So 2 pi equal to 360 degree, or we can say pi equal to 180 degree. So from above relation we know that the pi is 22 by 7. Value of pi is 22 by 7. So we have 1 radian equal to 180 by pi, and 180 by pi equal to 57 degree 16 minute approximately. And the relation between the degree measure and radian measure of common angle are given in the following table. So you have to remember this: the degree of 30 degree is equal to pi by 6, and 45 degree equal to pi by 4, 60 degree equal to pi by 3, 90 degree equal to pi by 2, 180 degree equal to pi, 270 equal to 3 pi by 2, 360 equal to 2 pi. Thus pi equal to 1 by 180, pi by 4 equal to 45 degree, which is understanding that the pi equal to pi by 4 are the radian measure. Radian measure equal to pi by 180 equal, radian measure is equal to pi by 180 of degree measure. So if we convert the degree radian into degree, we have to multiply it pi by 180. Similarly, if the degree measure has to calculate, then we have to convert it by multiplying it 180 by pi. Now this 3.3 topic we are going to see trigonometric function. Suppose this is one circle which is shown over here, which is having the side O to A, and we can plot one point of having coordinate A to B over the circle, which is having the radius of 1 unit, and we draw a line of M. So it is having side A and horizontal side of B. So from this angle AOB indicate pi by 2. It is the angle that is a 90 degree, and angle AOC indicate 180 degree, angle AOD indicate 3 pi by 2. So if we see the side OM is a cos side, and side PM is a sin side. So we can find out from here the cos 0 degree at a vertical angle equal to 1. It is having the value 1, and sin 0 degree equal to 0. Similarly, we can find out the cos pi by 2 at a 90 degree equal to 0, sin pi by 2 equal to 1. At 180 degree means cos pi equal to minus 1, and sin pi equal to 0. At 270 degree cos 3 pi by 2 equal to 0, sin 3 pi by 2 equal to minus 1. Cos 2 pi equal to 1, and sin 2 pi equal to 0 at 360 degree. So we can have the values for cosec and tan similarly as per this table. So you have to remember this table as per the angle measure. So this is a wave given for the sin theta. Sin is going to start from the 0, and then it reaches to 1 at 90 degree, then it's again going back to 180 degree at 0 position, and at 270 degree it is having the minus 1 unit, and again at 360 degree it is 0. The cos curve is opposite to sin curve. So if we combine these two curves, then we'll get the tan curve. So tan curve start from the 0 and it moves to the infinity, plus minus to infinity. So that is what we had seen over here. By pi by 2 is not defined, 3 pi by 2 is not defined, means it is moving toward the infinity. We are going to see the one example over here. Convert 40 degree 20 minute into radian measure. We know that the 180 degree equal to pi radian. So 40 degree 20 minute we can write it as a 40 plus 1 by 3 degree. As we know, 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 degree. So 20 degree divided by 20 minute divided by 60, so it is 1 by 3.